Can a microscopic germ make you a billionaire? Meet the only living thing on Earth that literally poops 24-karat gold. It sounds fake, but dissolved gold is actually highly toxic. It destroys almost any cell it touches instantly. But Delftia acidivorans has a secret shield. When it senses the toxic liquid, it fires a chemical weapon called delftibactin. This molecule grabs the poisonous gold ions and forces them to solidify. It builds tiny, solid gold nuggets outside its body just to survive the poison. It is actual biological alchemy. And the best part? Scientists are now using this germ to filter pure gold out of sewage water. Your waste could be their treasure. Follow for more.